Time is money. It's a cliche because it's true. For manufacturers, every hour your machines sit idle is money lost. For makers, every hour, from invention to execution, is vital. Whether you're a manufacturer or a designer, you have something in common. You make things. Those things take time to get right, and you know exactly how much time they need. MakeTime is an online marketplace that enables manufacturers and makers to make the most of their time. As a shop owner, you can use your time for profit. All too often, your production flow seems more like a trickle. We can help you make those holes in your schedule disappear. With MakeTime, your production flow becomes a steady stream. We connect people and companies so they can make things. MakeTime, the future of making.